Number
You've
three.
obviously
There's
never
no
robbed a
way.
bank before. Like, get better
Yeah, because
hobbies.
I'm not a
That's
criminal.
crazy.
You're dating a criminal right now, yo. That's what you're
I
doing.
know that's the
But we would be
No, boy
criminals
three,
together.
turn your camera on. Turn your camera on, boy three. These are the rules. Introduce yourself. Why is your room so dark?
I don't know, bro.
I don't know what happened to my lights.
I like the Yoshi.
It's
plushie
because
in
I
the
didn't
back
pick
there.
you, and now all the lights dimmed from your life.
Yeah, that is right. That is
That is
right.
true.
Unfortunately,
That
that
is
is
true.
right.
Insane.
So how are you feeling, Iman? Or do you regret your decision?
No regrets, bro.
No regrets. No regrets. All right. And with that being said, boy number 5, turn your camera on, introduce yourself, and Iman, tell me how you feel about him.